Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre Black Digital. I'm an affiliate marketer, lead generation, and music marketing specialist. And in this video today, I want to show you guys how you can build your email list completely free and fast using TikTok. This method can be used for affiliate marketing, so you can grow your affiliate marketing business and start making money today with free traffic. I want to show you guys this step-by-step method, so follow to the end so I can show you guys a secret sauce that I've been using to grow my email list on an everyday basis for the past couple months. Also, I want you guys to check the link in the description for my 15-second free leads course to show you this exact method on a step-by-step course if you guys want to learn that way as well. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre Black Digital, and today we're going to dive right into my TikTok method to how I grew my email list to over 1,000 leads, generating free leads from TikTok every single day. This is a free traffic method for beginners all the way to advanced affiliate marketers. If you guys want to use free traffic to grow your email marketing business or affiliate marketing business online, this is the perfect method for you. I've been using this method for almost a year now, and I've grown my email list to over 1,000 subscribers that I'm able to incentivize every day by sending different offers to my list. But I want to go ahead and dive in and show you guys my TikTok account, my analytics, my landing page, my offer, and how to do this. Also, I want to let you guys know there's a link in the description that goes over this whole entire method in a step-by-step course. So click the link in it below if you are interested in learning how to do this method yourself to grow free email leads and to get money in affiliate marketing. But let's go over to my TikTok profile. And as you can see, I have over 24,000 followers on my TikTok, and I'm getting views, comments, likes, and engagement every single day. All of these people that are viewing my video are viewing my profile and total. And I believe like my best video did about 150,000 views, if not more. This is one of them, 144,000 views. And all this traffic coming to my account is going to my affiliate link right here. I don't take them directly to my offer. What I do is I create a lead capture page where I capture the name and email. This is the same exact thing that you guys are going to do by using this method. You're going to create a lead capture page. I'm going to show you guys my page. So let's go ahead and click on it. And this is a simple lead capture page that I use to create on GetResponse. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to join GetResponse to create the same exact page. So all they have to do is enter their name and email. I don't put any other information on this page besides my offer information. So get 2 free keto cookbooks and enjoy. And claim your 2 free keto books now. They'll enter their information in, and once they enter their information in, they'll be put into my autoresponder where I have a series of emails for 7 days that'll be sent out to try to close the lead and convert into a sale to generate some income. And the offer that I'm promoting is a ClickBank offer, which you can get 2 free keto cookbooks, and all they have to do is pay for shipping. So this is a good offer to start off with. And the reason why I picked this was because my TikTok account is a keto page. And it's not only a keto page, I'm strictly posting food, desserts, dinners, and stuff that you can make at home. So this offer was perfect for that, because all I have to do is to put in my description on my TikTok account is basically get all of these recipes by clicking the link here or something similar to that. Once they click it, it'll take it to the landing page. Take them to this landing page. They'll put the information in, and it'll direct them to this offer where once they convert into a sale and into their shipping details, I get paid a commission. So simply to do this, you want to go to GetResponse. I'll leave the link in the description. You want to sign up and create a landing page. I showed you guys my landing page, so what I want to do now is basically show you guys my email list. I want to show you guys proof that this is actually working, and I am growing emails and leads on a daily basis using this free traffic method. So we're going to go ahead and log into GetResponse. Let's go to list. and I believe I named it Health and Keto. And as you can see, my list is about 1,500 subscribers. This was the test email we put in, or I put in, to test out my landing page. But on a daily basis, my email list is growing with emails. I have 156 pages of emails, of leads, people that can convert into sales, people that I can forever sell as long as they are subscribed to my email list. And using this method, you guys can do this too. So if you've been trying to make money with affiliate marketing and it hasn't been working, this is a free traffic method that you can use to start generating some leads and also generate some income. The good thing about growing your leads list is that you forever have that list. So whenever you want to promote a different offer that's related to what your list subscribed to, you can always send those offers to your email. Send an email blast out. Also, to find an offer, I want you guys to go over to clickbank.com. I'll leave a link in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and log in. This is gonna be a test account just to show you guys how to find an offer. So you want to go ahead and log into ClickBank. Go over to Marketplace. And they have different categories of offers that you can promote for any niche. So basically, you want to make your TikTok account related to any of these niches: appointments and jobs, green products, health and fitness, home and garden. And you want to make your TikTok page around this. So all the content you want to make or post will be related to any of these topics for the offer you pick. So since my topic or my niche is keto, I'm going to go ahead and type keto in. And what you want to do is sort this by gravity. Gravity is the average amount of people who have sold this product in the past 30 days. And as you can see, Custom Keto Diet pays an average of $54 per sale, and over 312 affiliates have made money from this offer in the past 30 days. So this is a good offer to pick, and all you have to do is click promote to get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, you want to go over to GetResponse, create a landing page with their name and email for them to enter in. Once they enter their name and email, you want to direct them, instead of to a thank you page, direct them to your offer. And that's pretty much how I run this system. But if you guys want a more step-by-step tutorial of showing you guys how to set up the page, how to find the content, how to build your email list using this method, click the link in the description and sign up today. It's going to show you exactly how you can start generating income online through affiliate marketing and growing your leads and email lists using TikTok. This is an awesome method that I've been using for the past couple months, and there's a lot of affiliates out there have been doing this and who have had success. So I want you guys to go ahead, check the links in the description, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.